All right, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have the Fray here. I believe that's the first time on Gordon Guitar. Not sure, I listened to them before, but yeah, this song is called Same Thing, and this is a great song, and as a guitarist, this makes my heart jump a little bit extra because it's that simple, and you can clearly hear what's going on as far as chords and strumming. Everything's very clear. Of course, I love a challenge sometimes and not as guitarish a song, but yeah, this is very convenient and relaxing. So nice song here from the Fray, Same Thing. Let's go into this one, and we're gonna play it without any capo here. It's not needed, and we have 6 chords we need to know about. So let's go into the chords, starting with C. Okay, so C goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is A minor, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have E minor, that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And we also have the F, which is a bar chord, so place your index finger on the 1st fret where you push down all strings, and then you need to add 3rd fret on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And these 4 chords are the main chords. You can handle the verse chords and instrumental parts with these 4 chords, but then we have a bridge part, and for that we need to know about the D minor and G. So D minor first, that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And the final G goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. Alright, so there we have all the 6 chords: C, A minor, E minor, F, D minor, and G. Now let's go into the strumming, and it's a pretty long one, so we're going to divide it into 2 different parts. We're never going to split the strumming into parts as far as playing different chords, but just for learning purposes, we're going to split it into parts to handle it easier. So if you grab the first chord C, the first half, or actually we can go with the full round of strumming, it sounds like this. Okay, so the first part is down, 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 up. Okay, so it's 3 downs and then down, up. And the second half will be down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, so down, up, down, 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 up. So if we put this together, first part down, 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 up, and then down, up, down, 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 up, like this. A couple of rounds. So we are ready for the actual song, starting with verse, and you're gonna play C, 2 string rounds of that, and then A minor, 2 string rounds of that, and then E minor 1 and F1. That is 1 chord progression round. We're gonna play for 2 rounds, so let's go 1 round together. C2, A minor 2, E minor 1, F1, like this. You play 2 rounds and you have played the first verse. Into the chorus now, you're gonna play C1, A minor 1, E minor 1, and F1. So that means it's the same chord progression, you just play 1 string round per chord: C, A minor, E minor, and F. You're gonna play for 2 rounds, so let's do the 2 rounds together, starting with C. have the first chorus. After that happens, the instrumental part, and guess what? You're just going to continue with the chorus play for another round. C1, A minor 1, E minor 1, and F1. That's the first round of everything. Now into the second verse, and this one differs a little bit from the first one. We're going to play only one incorporation round, and even not yet that, because we're going to chop it off after E minor. You're going to play C2, then A minor 2, and then when you come to E minor, you're just going to play one down. One down in the shorter pause, and then you're going to jump right into the chorus. So the second verse is much shorter than the first one. C2, A minor 2, and then one down in E minor, short pause, and that's it. Into the second chorus, it's playing the exact same way as the first one, so no changes there. 2 rounds of C, A minor, E minor, F, 1 string round per chord. After this second chorus, we're about 2 minutes and 7 seconds into the song, comes the bridge part, and this is where we have to implement the 2 new chords, D minor and G. So what you're going to do here is to continue the same strumming. You're going to play 1 string round for the following chords, D minor, A minor, E minor, and G. Only for this one round, and that's the bridge part. Let's do it together. D minor, A minor, E minor, G. So that's a bridge, and then we have the final parts of this song. You're gonna jump right into this third chorus, the third and last, and that is played the exact same way as the previous choruses, no changes there. And after that we have the outro parts. What you're gonna do here is to play C1, A minor 1, E minor 1, and there's a pause right after you play the E minor, and that's where it just sings the final line, it ain't the same thing, right? And that is how this song ends from the Fray, same thing. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and it's a nice song to practice if you are in the beginning of your guitar travel or want just to implement easy chords and handle a great song. And pretty easy strumming as well. That could be the challenge in the song, but anyway, pretty easy still. Then this will be a one song. So give it a try, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, if you like my teaching, and if it was helpful, then yeah, support me here on Gordon Guitar. Very appreciated. Thank you so much, and until next time, play tuned.